think we're going to make a little series of videos of all the mistakes that the company that make this Mr. Carve M1 Pro have made, and then we're going to go about correcting them step by step. So first thing we're going to deal with is this rotary clamp. The whole lot comes off here. There's 2 grub screws, and then you put the motor spindle into there and lock it up with the 2 grub screws. But the stupid thing they've done is these are, you know, you can adjust these, that's no big problem, but watch what happens when I try and hold that one in place and do it up. As soon as you do it up, it moves. And the reason for that is they've used a bloody great big split washer in there. It's just a ridiculous thing to do. There you go, there's 2 of them that I've already replaced. And here's one of the ones I've done. So you line it up wherever and nip it up. This one, you can't do that. It's, I mean, stupidity. So the first modification we're going to make to this is just take out, there's a fibre washer, a small metal washer. To be honest, you could probably do with fitting a larger washer on this side, possibly even a nylon washer, because that's pretty much in effect what they've got on this side. Underneath the black plastic there is a white piece of nylon. Don't know whether you can see it on this, but yeah, there's the great big split washer. Take that off, and that leaves you with a fibre washer, a metal washer, and then you want another metal washer and a fibre washer. But I suspect you might fit a bigger washer in here, and then we'll just pop that through there. Looks like this is quite easily damaged as well, this metal. So now we can put that wherever we want. However, we're now on to the next stupid design feature. It's all very well having those there, but wouldn't it be easier to measure the diameter of the item you want and have these marks right along here, so you can move that and actually see where the markings are. Well, let's try it with that. If we just try and nip this up. Well, we haven't got a clue, have we? It's, you know, I suppose we could try and line it up with exactly the same markings, either all round. Yeah, well, that's not accurate. That's miles off, so just the whole thing. I suppose once it's in the motor you'll be able to see whether that was running square. It clearly isn't. So what I'm thinking of doing is just having a scale engraved along the edge, possibly even both sides, just to make it obvious, in line with these. I assume they've done these in millimetre. Yeah, they have. So again, we could 0 to 50 mil. If we could just follow that round, 0 to 50, then that would be far better, I think, to have a scale along the edge there, and you can really see where to line that up. So yeah, that's the first thing. We'll see what we can do. We can mark the backside first, just see how it marks, whether it's going to do the job or not. My intention is to take that off, pop this in, move the head backwards on the machine, and then just get this upright. Again, no markings on this to get this upright either, so you're going to have to, oh actually there is a locking position, don't know what locks it in place, but it hits something, so no, that's fine, that's good. I was thinking that might run all the way around, but it doesn't, so that's got to be upright there. So we'll pop it in here and see what we can do. I think we can always pop that on the other side, so we can just engrave the back as a test, as I say, first. So yeah, first modification, get rid of those stupid split washers from this, and that's going to be a hell of a lot more helpful. I suspect you probably could just line that up. Again, it would help if they were numbered as well, so you know once you've covered those up, it's hard to know which ones you're on. If you can see 5, 10, 15, 20, I know they've got the longer ones, but even so, I suppose I'm nitpicking a bit, but it's got to be something better than that. I just wanted to show you another quick and simple modification that might help not have some grief in the future. These bare wires, this isn't really a very sensible move. The outer sheathing should have gone inside there and then been secured. So all I've done is taken a small cable tie and just cable tied that in place. It's going to hold it there, so that isn't ever going to be flexed. All the flexing will be done above, and also if anything ever breaks inside here where that is bending, you've got enough wires to join up another USB cable. So I would definitely advise not getting that, not allowing that to be flexed all the time, because those wires will absolutely break, and if you break it down here, you really haven't got a lot of a wiggle room there to solder new wires on. So yeah, I would try that. Now this tool came with this plate, and if anyone knows what that's for, please let me know, because I have no clue. Doesn't seem to line up with any of the holes on anything anywhere. Came with a pack of bolts, long bolts. No idea what they're for though. Any ideas on that? If anyone's got an M1 Pro, let me know please.